might just take a little bit here. Basically, camera's just outside. My little Felix attacked a bloody great big rat. I mean, he was actually having a big old tumble with a rat. I mean, it's not a little rat either. Yeah, that were big. Obviously, he's a big cat, boy, but he were going for it. There's some noises out there. He's out there looking round, looking like a big tiger. But yeah, that was pretty impressive. I'll give the old Felix his due. He's a tough old bird. He's a tough old bird and quite an arrogant one at the best. I don't know. Yeah, so we're gonna have a bit of a soiree under there. Yeah, so. No air in the compressor, so I hope I'll let it down, but I'm going to put it up, so yeah, there you go, the old wrap. Obviously if this works, tomorrow I will be able to have a good look at the underneath and also measure the prop shaft. I think I've got a fuel tank next door, so I need to sort of get some supplies in, maybe run a fuel line, I don't know, maybe a fuel line. There's a fuel tank in the car, to be honest, so I just don't trust what it would be like. Maybe we'll get it out anyway, have a look tomorrow. Right. Okay, so we're down. Where's down going? There's a bit of pipe. There's a cheap exhaust system, a prop, and a few other items. General carnage. So we're going to get them. See what we can do. But that was, I don't know what my little kitten was fighting, but that was something. See, we have got some large rats underneath this floor. There's some pretty big old rats because it's an old farm, so you can have rats. So. Anyway, right. So I'm going to punch you down now. It's going to be a bit boring, but you're going to have to. If you don't want to watch, don't watch. I don't really. But yeah, to be honest. I'm going to make the compressor's going to make a noise. Oh, a lot of noise, a little bit. Anyway, you see my lever. I've got to try to get here. This is the bit. Get around to there. Isn't that nice? Yeah. Right. Anyway, so all jokes aside, we're looking pretty good, I think. I'm going to put you back on there. It's not a big video, this one. Well, a little bit of news. There's no fuel tank in the back. So my fuel tank next door is going to have to be plugged into it. So that'll be alright. So I think maybe I'll just bring because obviously rovers have got a feed and return. So you need two pipes. So you've got pipe out and pipe in. Slight short as your tubing. Not gonna panic. Not just yet, anyway. Right, just gonna take you with me now. Right. Oh, alright. I mean, my compressor is this one, so it's not got a lot left in it. Takes a long time to get any pressure up. Pretty much hear the old thing. No pressure on the brain at all, so she is struggling. We're not going to worry. We are going to. It'll gradually creep up to a little bit of pressure, and then we can do some of it. So for a minute, we're just going to look right here. Yeah, a load of rubbish in the back. So I'll just go through that. I've also got to sort some out with this. I don't know, maybe beat it back in a row of things. Catch. Yeah, no, we're alright. Got the fillers, but no, got the fillers, no actually, not Aston fillers. It's quite strange. They're off like some old Roots group, Alpine or something. Very nice caps at all. And other thing, they're not lockable. Amazing. 1973, right in the middle of a massive fuel crisis when petrol's expensive, and Aston Martin don't have a lock-in filler cap. Yeah, great human faith they had. Great faith in there. So it's going up or breaking in half, one of the two. Well, that looks like the back's coming up or the back's not coming up. Not enough pressure in the thing. I don't know, quite back heavy I think, by the look of it. I just don't know. Crushing up. Yeah, that's not nice there. That's all the way. It's going to be an interesting old exercise, but I think we can do it. Not open the doors on the thing while he's up on the lift. And if I bring it down, I think I'm going to set it down onto the. But for a minute. I can't see why we're coming up at that alarming angle, because that is an alarming angle, even whatever way you cut it. That's not good. I see what's happened. No, you don't. I don't see what's happened actually. I don't know what's happened. I don't know. She's not touching on the front here, so whether it's too heavy in the back, I don't know. I'm gonna have to go back underneath. Worry about it later, but there are a few things I can do. So you've had 12 minutes of noise, sorry, and obviously I don't know. I'm not gonna. I don't know. It looks to me like she's tipping back, but I mean that engine should weigh more than the back axle, so maybe. I'll get back when it fall off. I've come close. I was hoping. I do not know why. I don't know why that's doing that. I don't know. That's sort of going up at a alarmingly bad angle. I don't know. I'll be back down. I don't know. I don't know. Alright, well, you see, he's sitting on the sill edge there, and he's going, not sitting anywhere like the sill edge there. We'll have to, I think what we're going to do, tomorrow, I'm going to leave it for now. I don't think there's any point trying to go any higher with it, so I think we'll kill that. I think we're not going any higher. I don't know. Anyway, right, so sorry about this. I'm gonna have to sign you off. I'm gonna play it. That is crushing into the sill there, look. So I think we probably need to call a halt to this polite job and come down. I think we need to come down. I think I'm gonna drop her down. I don't want to, I'm gonna drop her down. If I drop the back wheels down the ground, at least it won't be putting so much pressure on that old sill of mine. It's quite alive. Yeah, it's contemplated suicide. I'm going to try, but when I saw was my mother's eyes. I don't know who that was, but I understand what he meant when he saw this car, whatever it is. Right, so we're shutting down. Right, the lights are off, power's off, can't see anything. And I'll shut the video off there and say to you guys to be continued tomorrow, hopefully, if I still manage to do it.